Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Executive Order 13556, Controlled and Classified Information. The order establishes a program for managing Cui across the executive branch and designates the National Archives and Records Administration (NARA) as executive agent to implement the order and oversee agency actions to ensure compliance. 13 June 2019.
Take our lead.
Controlled and Classified Information, Cui, is a category of unclassified information within the U.S. federal government. Cui replaces the labels for official use only, FOUO, sensitive but unclassified, SBU, and law enforcement sensitive, LESS.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Title 32 CFR, Part 2002, the National Archives and Records Administration (NARA), which implements the executive branch-wide Cui program and oversees federal agency actions to comply with Executive Order 13556. NARA has delegated this authority to the Director of the Information Security Oversight Office (ISOO).
Take our lead.
Question: what is the difference between UFOUO and Cui? Answer: UFOUO is a legacy marking used to indicate sensitivity based on agency policy or practice. Cui is a marking that is used to indicate the presence of Cui Basic Information. 9 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Examples of Cui would include any personally identifiable information such as legal material or health documents, technical drawings and blueprints, intellectual property, as well as many other types of data. The purpose of the rule is to make sure that all organizations are handling the information in a uniform way. 3 May 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.